Longwell Company devotes itself to the integration and development of major accessories and components in 3C market sectors, defining the company's value with highly vertical integration, global service, and quality reliability. With more than 30 major safety certificates in the world, Longwell has established long-term partnerships with major first-tier global customers. We are now one of the global leaders in AC power cords. In terms of DC data and signal cables, Longwell and its global partners collaborate on joint design and development of high added value products to create the customer's greatest interests and to achieve the time-to-market demands. Longwell's outstanding expertise and design capability has been proved by the leading position in some of the wireless and computer products. realize the vision of being a member of the Green Global Village, Longwell keeps at the leading position on hazardous substance control from very early stage. Recently, we have even developed the halogen-free cables to meet the future market trend and demand of overall green products. We always strive to be our customers' best choice of green partner. In the future, Longwell Company shall actively expand its market, taking the company to a higher level. Longwell.